All right, here we are on to project number 2. This one will go on your 4th quarter grade. And this one is where you are going to use the guidance on designing a game. So go to Scratch, click on Create to start a new project. All right, here we go. Now, in Schoology, I also want to make sure, let me get these pulled over here. I want to make sure that you've got the chase game cards pulled up here. You'll notice that it looks like there's 7 separate steps again, but even within these, there are some, multiple things inside each one. So when I give you the rubric I've made, when it says like move left and right, well, you have to program an arrow to move left, program an arrow to move right, and so on. Same with up and down and that kind of thing. So we are going to get started. All right. Now, before we even get ready, because this first step is moving your character left and right, here's what we need to do. Number 1, choose a backdrop again. So if you've got kitty cat there, get him out of there. Okay. Of course, unless you want to use that as your character that's going to run around and try to chase and grab an object. So pick a backdrop, whatever that may be. Gosh, I haven't looked at these in a while, so pick something. Well, winter. I don't want winter. That's all we've been looking at. I almost need something summery to make me feel better. Ugh. I don't know if they have anything. Mountain Castle's kind of cool. All right. Just pick something. Oh, Colorful City. Maybe I'll try that. All right. The next thing on the cards says, now choose a character. So this is what you are going to move around on the screen with the arrows to try to chase after some object. So go down to your sprites, get in the sprite library, and now you have to decide what you want to use for your character that's going to run around and try to catch things. So clearly they had like some little alien thing. You can, or this robot, I think that's what they had, but you certainly can choose whatever you like. Do you want a big squirrel? Do you want a zebra? And we get into the letters. So pick something. Jellyfish? I don't think so. Do. Let's see. I'm always a dog person. Oh, a T-Rex. That'd be funny too. I'll pick the puppy. Okay. All right. Now, see puppies on my screen here. Boom. Okay. That's the setup that you need. Now, you need to use these cards so that you can get all of the programming in there and make sure that it functions the correct way. Okay. Notice on these first ones with the arrows, whether it's up and down, make sure that up and down, think of that as your y-axis, just like math. Up is positive, down is negative. Same thing with horizontal movement with your left and right arrows. That's your x-axis. And going to the right is positive, going to the left is negative. So make sure you watch those details and then just keep building as you work through all of the commands. Good luck, and I'm excited to see your final projects. I can show you, if I go back here to mine, the one that I had made last year. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is. I used a shark. Okay, there we go. So every time that I end up catching that star, then I get another point. And the goal is once I get to a certain number of points, then you will be able to level up. You'll see after a while those sounds get annoying for sure. Supposed to level up at some point. Goodness sakes, let's take it now. Uh, All right, so you get the idea, and this is what you're starting on. So, good luck and come up with some creative ideas for your character, for your object that you are chasing. And like I said, I'll be excited to see your finished